Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to become a cybersecurity analyst, full guide. Start by focusing on core knowledge areas, networking, operating systems, and scripting to form a practical base. Use labs and CTFs to reinforce theory and plan small daily study sessions to maintain momentum. Join online communities for feedback, track progress with measurable goals, and tailor the learning path to roles you want to pursue. Certifications can accelerate your credibility, but they are not the only path to hiring. Choose certs aligned with entry roles and supplement them with lab work and portfolio projects that show impact. If you prefer guided instruction, enroll in a degree or reputable bootcamp and supplement that with self-study. Keep a consistent study schedule, document accomplishments, and prepare to discuss real-world scenarios during interviews and technical assessments. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos for you. Quick recommendation: the leak-proof containers you see here make meal prep and long study sessions easier, and they're super convenient for lunches between shifts. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. A cybersecurity analyst needs both technical and soft skills to succeed in daily work. Learn to use SIEM tools, endpoint solutions, and vulnerability scanners while practicing log analysis and threat hunting regularly. Strengthen incident response workflows and playbooks through simulated exercises. Equally important, communicate findings clearly, write concise reports, and collaborate with peers. Building a portfolio of documented incidents and projects will make you a compelling candidate for analyst positions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.